Hey friends, if you wish to reset keyboard settings to default on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now here's the thing, there is no one button or one icon to reset the keyboard settings to default. I don't know why Microsoft didn't give it, but here's a workaround that you can use. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the time and language tab, go to language and region settings. Now if you find your language here, and if it is not on the top, then click on move up. It will reset the keyboard. And if it is already on the top, then move it down and then move it up. Okay, and if you don't have any other language, then you can add a language first and then move it up and then move it down. And when you move it to the top once again, I mean whenever you move the language once or twice, it will reset the keyboard to default on your Windows computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.